Hello, Savage Granny Claus here. So I'm going to show you how to, I was recording this video and I kept getting these pop-up things. Oh, Google Play Services to stop, send feedback, and then, oh my gosh. I hate this. Anyway, I'm sure y'all know the struggle. It's very real for a YouTuber, okay? So this is a new Mia Secret number 8 Kolinsky brush. And I'm going to show you how to prime it and bark it and everything the way Kirsty Meakin does, so you can be ready to do acrylics. Because if you don't clean all of the stuff out of it properly, then you will get acrylic stuck in your brush. You will ruin your brush. Because I have done that to a couple, and it's not the brush, it's you, because you didn't do it properly. But when you first get it, it's going to be hard, and so you need to break it, and you need to take orange stick and go through and separate all the bristles, and you need to flick it. And I'm going to show you. Now, I have brush cleaner, I have monomer, I have my paper towels, my brush, and a cuticle stick, and 2 dabbing dishes, okay? 2. Brush cleaner is in this one. And so, I've already done this about 3 times. I'm going to drag it, and this is a crimped brush. And then we're going to go in between, and we're going to press, and we're going to pull. We're going to press and pull, and press and pull. And I'm spinning the brush around each time I press and pull, okay? And then you want to get it back in its shape, okay? I'm going to do this one more time so y'all can see this. And then that'll be it. I think I'll have done it 4 or 5 times. You take your brush and you submerge it there in the brush cleaner and get it all around. And you're going to, I call it dandruff, like stuff, a little white flakes of stuff that come off of your brush, and that's from where they put something on it, glue or something, so they can transport it. And that little tube that's on the brush end, take that off and throw it away. Do not try to put it back on your brush. You will never get it back on there. Okay? And so we let this sit for a minute. That brush cleaner is very, very strong. As you can see, it leaked during shipping and got all over the bottle and melted that stuff. Ate it away. So, you want to make sure you don't get it, all over yourself or anything. So we're going to drag the brush on the paper towel like this. And then we're going to press and pull. Press and pull. Press and pull. And then see, I'll make sure everything is all out of there. Just flick it. You get it all out of there. You want to put it, always put it back in the shape that it was. See? Now here's my list. What we do next, then we get the monomer. And just what we did here with the brush cleaner, we're going to do with the monomer. And then we should be ready to rock and roll and do some acrylics. So I'll do a little bit of monomer. And you see I am using the Mia Secret monomer. Okay. Put your brush in there. You submerge it. And you twirl it around. You want to make sure there's no bubbles coming up. You want to make sure you get all of the bristles. Okay. It says wipe your brush. Well, this was burping it by doing this. This was burping it. Then you wipe the brush. Put it back in the monomer. So, wipe it. Put it back in here and burp it again. sure we get it back in its shape. Just like it came to us. So there we go. And here is the lid. Now I have my new acrylic brush ready to practice acrylic or do acrylic nails or whatever I like to do. And I shouldn't be getting acrylic stuck in this one. So I hope you liked that little tutorial. I think that's kind of the first one I've ever done. So, yeah. Y'all remember Granny loves you. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.